Wow, it's been a while, hasn't it? Life has been hectic. But first of all, I'm gonna address something. I will be filming 2 videos today. I think I might just edit and post them both. Because I procrastinated, I was busy, and now I gotta do a lot of videos. I gotta do a lot of stuff. How do American university students manage to film videos and to go to work and to go to their classes? Because I am not managing that. I'm gonna need their tutorial. And now that I have that out of the way, I am in a rush. A really big time rush. We got my YesStyle package, and this time I did not dox myself, which is great. And yeah, yet again, I do not know what's in here because the time interval from when I ordered it to when I got it. Yes, this is one perk of having really bad memory. You always surprise yourself. We're gonna kind of open the package right now. They always pack it real nice, which I appreciate it. Okay, we have like a receipt here. And I'm gonna try and cut it away. Not dox myself. I'm pretty sure I leaked my address when I was like 13, which is great. Not. Oh, we have quite a few goodies. Would you look at that? Would you look at that, you guys? Look how many goodies. Is that the... Yeah, it's the vegan collagen eye serum that I love. I'm sorry, I'm going to have lipstick on my teeth the whole video. But this is the vegan eye serum that I love. Yay! I forgot that. I think they had it again, and yay! This is my favorite thing ever, forever. Use code JennyPine03 on YesStyle, please. I'm gonna leave you a link if you wanna join the influencer program too. I am so very influencer, you guys. I think this is like, yeah, this is the blotting paper. Yay. Too cool for school. Blotting paper. Is this a refill? Yeah, I think it is, but I generally prefer blotting paper in this little packets because it's easier to carry in my bag. I'm trying to get out of the habit of talking while I'm opening stuff from their package. Hello, let me open you. Hello. Yeah, this is a refill. I'm kind of feeling stupid, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. I've always been stupid. How the fuck did I get into business? There it is. Blotting paper. This is a refill. I genuinely just thought that it's just like my previous blotting papers, just a package. But that's okay, you know. It's okay. I am still going to be having blotting papers, which is great. Just gonna put them in their package. I'm gonna use them like so. There you go. There we go. It's functional like this too. I like the ones in paper packages. This is so cute. I think I'm going to cut this off and keep it for my journal. Every single piece of junk belongs in my journal, apparently. Allegedly. Is it gonna do something? I mean, this is fresh makeup. I literally applied less than an hour ago. Why do they have... What is this? Little sticky things. Little sticky tabs. What for? I guess I would have known if I didn't order the refill and the actual thing. I should probably order some brain cells if they sell them anywhere. Okay, we have 2 lippies. What I assume are 2 lippies. Which one should we start with? This one, the Capuvini one, or this one? I call it Gigi Bear always, or Gigi Bear. I am such an uncultured swine. Let's open the Gigi Bear one first. This is adorable. Okay, let's swatch it. This is so pretty. It's kind of a lip matte consistency. It's kind of sheer. Oh, this is lovely. Which shade did I get? I think this is the shade number 2. That's what it says in the package. and the rest is Chinese and I can't read it, I'm sorry. This is so gorgeous. Now the Capovini one. Low-key Chinese cosmetics are so cute. It's taking me every ounce of self-control that I have not to waste my whole paycheck on flower nose and other Chinese cosmetic brands that are on YesStyle. Because their makeup is so cute. Hello, let me in. Oh, this is Capovini Mirror Lava Chocolate Lip Gloss. It has a little label for color shirts swines like me to read. This is pretty. I don't usually wear nude lip shades, but let's see this one. This is... okay, this is gorgeous. I'm just gonna get some more. Okay, this is gorgeous. Wow, amazing. I love it. I love it. I wanna buy every single lippy there is on YesStyle, and I'm gonna do it. If you guys just use my code and buy from YesStyle so I get free stuff. Please do it, I'm broke. Please. All jokes aside, their stuff is so high quality. I'm so glad they hooked me up on the vegan collagen eye serum again. And I'm totally gonna put everything to good use, as always. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you when I see you. Leave a like if you like it. Leave a dislike if you don't. And if you want to leave a critique, feel free to do it in the comments down below. I will see you when I see you. Stay lovely. Bye.